Listen carefully. Hear that? When I unscrewed the fuel tank cap just now, there is a puffing sound. In this case, if you take your car to a repair shop, they'll sell you fuel additives. Not only is it a waste of money, but the problem will not be solved. Today, I tell you the real reason. That's it. Activated carbon canister solenoid valve. It's on every car. If it breaks, the steam in the fuel tank can't be discharged. It's clogged. Therefore, when refueling, the refueling nozzle can easily trigger the anti-overflow function. Start the car when it's cold in the morning. You will smell the smell of gasoline, and it consumes a lot of fuel. In this case, you spend $5 to buy a new one and replace it. The problem is solved immediately. How about it? Have you learned it? Follow me. Learn about cars every day.